Hi there. In this chapter, we will cover job statuses. Job statuses are useful for categorizing where the job is up to within your internal process. These are displayed on the dashboard, among other places, and you can move bookings between the relevant job statuses. To edit existing or add new job statuses, hover over the Settings tab and select Job Statuses. Below, we can see our existing job statuses. Each is assigned a colour which will be visible on the dashboard in addition to the calendar. System reserved statuses are required and cannot be altered. However, you can adjust any others by hitting the Edit button on the right-hand side. Here you can change the text, colour, enable it, and even relate it to a relevant state. Please be advised, this will have an impact on the advanced and pro levels of TechMan. To create a new status, simply click on New Job Status in the top right corner, or use the blue plus button on the top left-hand side. Similarly to when editing, here you can assign job status text a colour, enable it, and assign a state. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.